Hello and welcome to our function generator using the MSP430. Alright, so this is our MSP430, which is driving the DAC over here, and that'll be controlled by, or our MSP430 is getting commands from these two buttons. We're supposed to have 4 buttons, but using smoke and mirrors, we will be changing the button around to the corresponding pins. And so the DAC is also going to the oscilloscope, which is at its original function, its default function currently, a 50% duty cycle, a square wave with frequency of 100 Hz. For our first trick, we'll be changing the duty cycle of the square wave. So as we see, the duty cycle is the bottommost value in the measurements, and then with the press of the button, it changes by 10% each time. 80, 90, 100, now it's 0%, 10%, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, so now we've reconnected the button to control the frequency, and so now using the same square wave we had just now, we'll be changing the frequency from 100 to 200, 300, 400, and 500 Hertz. Our button is now connected to the voltage control, which is something that we decided to implement it, and controls the max voltage by 1 volt each time. So as you can see, currently it's about 5 volts peak to peak, but if you press the button, wrong button. Okay, then it'll go to 0 volts peak to peak, 1 volt, 2, 3, 4, and back to 5 volts. There we go. Right, back to 5 volts. Alright, so now we'll show you guys 3 different waves that we've programmed. This is the button that controls all of them. And so as we can see, we start with a square wave, but we also have a sine wave and a sawtooth wave. So we've already shown you the frequencies for the square wave, but for the sine wave, we also implemented the same thing. So as you can see, it goes to 200, 300, 400, and 500. And then this is our sawtooth wave. Does every single frequency as well. Alright, to finish off, we're going to show you that our voltages work for all 3 sine waves as well. So here's the sine wave. The voltage is at 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to 5. Alright, and then for the sawtooth wave, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.